Alright guys, showing you some quick steps or some easy steps on how to make a trend line given particular data sets. So in Excel, basically in Excel, in a basic Excel. So suppose you have the yearly data of sales volume for a particular shop or a company, maybe suppose say from the year 2000 to 2010, and the sales volume in rupees lakhs. Suppose say for 2000 it is 15 lakhs, 21 2001 it is 12 lakhs. So it is a rough data that I have simply taken it. Anyway, how to like now how to estimate this, whether it is increasing or and if it is increasing, at what rate it is increasing, how to visualize this data using the linear diagram or a line diagram, I would say, or estimating a linear trend. So what you do is just select the data first, your data set. Say from here we have from 2000 to 2010, you have selected it. Now go to insert. Here you will get the option that is line diagram, and then you click on this, so it appears to you like this, about the diagram or the line diagram. So you can also delete this just by clicking your left button on your mouse. So just click on the line and you can use your keyboard, just press delete, and it looks easy and clean now. Now anyway, if you want to change this, suppose you want to make it year, that means it is 16, 15, 12, like that, and then actually this is the year, sales data in terms of volume. Now if you want to put the year accordingly, in which year, like you want to change this, so what you do is you just select this, click this button, some four dots will appear on the corner like that. Now make a right click. After you make a right click, now go to your select data, uh, left click again, it appears like that. So anyway, what you do is you just go to your edit in that horizontal axis level, right? So you click this edit button, it appears to you like that. So what you do is you can directly, you can type something, but what you do is you just select the data. I mean, here in case of your data, you're selecting the year. Suppose you want to replace that 1 to 3 with a year, right? So what you do is you have replaced this. See, now this thing appears, right? And just click it OK. Fine. You can click OK. Now your that year appears in place of 1 to 3. Fine. So you can also replace this, like you can type and then replace it with year or something like year or so. So now coming to the main point, that is how to make a trend line. So you get a line here, line diagram. So what you do is you click on the line, right? You click on the line and these four dots appear in front of you. So what you do is all left click, okay, right? Left click of your mouse. So now what you do is you make a right click on, as soon as these four dots appear, you make a right click, place your mouse button here, make a right click, and what you do is go to your add trend line, fine? Add trend line, this appears to you now. Now, like I told you, we are simply making a linear trend, just assuming that it is a linear trend, right? So you will get option here, linear, and then suppose you want to add the equation, right? You get it in your basic statistics class, like y is equal to a plus bx, fine? So that is how you want to estimate the trend. And now suppose you want to also display the r square, click on the r square and just close it, fine? Close it. So this equation appears here, fine? So this equation, now if you want to make it bigger, let me just show you it in a bigger form. So you just click here, Control V. Let me make this thing bigger so that you can understand. So yes, here this thing appears. You can place this here also. See, now this is your equation. That is y is equal to, actually it is y is equal to a, sorry, uh, bx plus a in the form of this. It will, the equation will be in the form of this. The equation will appear in the form of this. So that's how you can identify now and we, you know how to interpret the things. This represents your average valued at what is the average sales. And now this b for your beta, it is represented mostly in case of like econometric analysis. Now this b represents your like the rate of increase or decrease. So here it means like the sales volume has been increasing by around 0.55 lakhs or so, you can say. Fine. In case of percentage, you can say it like 55.4% yearly. Here x will be your t and so on. Now this r square, of course, this is mostly used in the econometric analysis. So for that, maybe I'll give one extra class or maybe one another video to for a better understanding of this. Okay, fine. I'll stop here. Thank you.